If you're staying in an Airbnb and you've run out of hot water and you've come across one of these secure E7 Plus smart immersion heater units here, you can get hot water by not changing any of the settings. You can just hit boost, and depending on how many times you hit boost will vary the amount of time that you're going to have the water heating up for. So if you hit boost once, you're going to have 30 minutes, twice you're going to have an hour, 3 times you're going to have 2 hours. So first of all, you can see that it's kind of not lit up. So just hit boost once, that's just to light it up. Now if I hit boost, it's going to come on for 30 minutes. If you were to hit boost twice, you can see it will go to 1 hour. If you hit boost 3 times, it's going to go to 2 hours. So right now the water is going to be heating up for 2 hours. If you want to cancel that, you can hit it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see now it's gone to cancel. So it's a nice easy way that if someone's used too much water or you haven't got enough water, you don't have to get involved in changing any of the settings. You can come in here and you can just hit boost twice to get 1 hour, and that's it. Remember, if the screen's black, you have to just press it once to liven up the screen, and then you can start hitting boost after that. So it's very straightforward. Thanks for watching.